So we're going to learn how to assemble this iron, and we're going to start by opening that lid over there. You're going to open it because it's used when you want to use the iron in a dry mode without using water or steam. So we're going to remove the lid. Then we're going to take the tube. It's a very long tube, and that joint there, its purpose is to extend the length of that tube. So if you want it shorter, you can just remove it, or you can use it as the way it is. So you're going first to take this like an iron spring, and then you're going to make sure that that side is on the side of the valve. So you're going to place that side and slide the tube inside the spring. Then you're going to enter that tube on that valve. I don't know if I should say a valve or an opening for the iron. So you make sure it is well connected, it's inside. Then after that, you're going to remove the spring down to that part and make sure that it's there, and it's going to secure the tube, and also it's going to prevent the tube from bending. And sometimes when it bends, it's going to break, so the spring helps to avoid bending, and bending also can prevent water from passing. So that's the work of the spring near the tube. Okay, on the other end, you're going to place it on this water can. You're going to make sure it's well secured like that. You're going to enter it there. It's used to move the water from the can to the iron when you want to use the steam mode of the iron. So you put like that, very well secured, ready for use. Then you will add water inside. Then you place that hanger over there for hanging the bottle. I'm going to remove it and show you how to place it afresh. You're going to place that on the sides. There are holes on the sides, that one and the second one, and then we're going to place the iron there like that. You enter the iron, and then it becomes a handle for hanging the water can, because it needs to be somewhere higher than the iron to make sure that this little tube does not bend or it's not interfered. So it is best if it's hung somewhere higher than the iron. So after that, you'll be done. Then you'll fill the bottle with water. After filling it is when you're going to be ready to iron. There is a sign for opening and closing there. If you want to use the water, you move it to the opening. There's an O and a C, which means open and close. So you can open the valve and close it too. Okay, after that, you're going to place the water can somewhere higher than the iron. I've tried demonstrating it there on my couch. The water can is higher than the iron, so it makes it more easy for you to iron like that. It makes it very, very easy without interfering, without burning the tube with your iron. And then we're going to apply the foot. We're going to place the foot of the iron on the iron. That spring is expandable, like it expands. So you're just going to slide the iron on the shoe, and there we have it, a non-stick iron, which irons very perfectly using steam or non-steam mode. And that is a plate for placing your iron after ironing, because you don't want to burn your sheets or anything, or you don't have to place it alone and then it will fall. So you have to place it there, and it's more safe. And after that, after ironing, you just switch off your iron, and there it is.